My name is Fotis. I am the technical coordinator of the RAPP project, and I work at CERT ITI. CERT is the coordinating partner of the RAPP project. It is also the partner in charge of the platform development, platform design. Furthermore, CERT is also responsible for developing this particular AI modules with the higher complexity aspects of the RAPP platform. One of these aspects is to make the speech-to-text recognition for the robots, which means that the elderly user can talk to the robot, and the robot can potentially understand the specific words that are in the sentence. One other interesting aspect that CERT is developing is the cloud infrastructure of the RAPP platform. So CERT is actually producing the modules and the functions and the services located on the cloud infrastructure, which in turn service all the robots that connect to the platform side.
I'm RAPP from Ormilia Foundation, and I'm working with the user group for the RAPP project. Ormilia Foundation is a research foundation located in Chalkidiki, interested mostly in medical and cultural research, but lately also in social. Ormilia is responsible for actually for two of the user groups. The user group of technology literate elderly and the user group diagnosed with mild cognitive impairment. I'm holding technology classes for a community senior center, and I'm also attending daily activities of Alzheimer's Association. Our goal is at the end to compare the technology literate people in using technology with the robot and without the robot, and for MCI patients with mild cognitive impairment, to help them have fun and easy activities that will enhance their memory.
I'm Cezary Zieliński. WOOD stands for Warsaw University of Technology, which is based in Warsaw, in Poland. And we are responsible in the RAPP project for the control of robots. Our main responsibility is building the structure of the controller and implementing it. We are responsible for the specification and implementation of robot control. Robot control systems that we have implemented up to now all had this fixed structure, which is usual for robot controllers. In this case, the challenge is to implement a variable structure controller, and this is interesting for us both from the theoretical point of view and from the practical implementation.
I am David Danet. I'm a researcher at INRIA. INRIA is a French Institute of Computer Science and Control, and I am a robotician. In the RAPP project, two teams of INRIA are involved. The first one produces a rollator, robotized walking head to assist the person in their mobility. And the second team provides a software called RAPP, used for Internet of Things and well adapted in the world. The challenge for us is to produce a very simple but robust rollator and adapt some functionalities of this rollator for the inclusion of persons in the hospital associated with material.
I'm Hugo Vivier. I work in Sigma Oenis, a French company specialized in connecting ICT research and innovation to markets. In the RAPP project, we are working on the dissemination of activities and results. In a few words, we are ensuring that the work done by our technical partners is actually well disseminated and that all the people who should know about it actually do. We have created promotional materials and maintained the website of the project. We're also creating a network of interest online in order to gather all the actors of this robotics for social inclusion world.
I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, and we work on software agents and intelligence systems, among other things. In the RAPP project, we are mainly responsible for the development of software. We are experts in agent technology, and robots will have to operate as agents, either communicating amongst themselves or with the human.
I think this project is very important because I can show that possible inclusion and the interest of robotics for inclusion, and shows that this kind of new tools for experts is available and can provide some very interesting data on the person, especially for elderly people.
Our robot now will be able to actually send emails after elderly sleep requests. So my vision is to actually watch them do that and start to explore what else now can do for them. And also my vision is for Alzheimer Association to have now, during its evaluations and during its daily activities, so that everyone there will have more fun and be more happy to take part in these activities. And we have as Ormelia a bigger vision, which is to use now in robotics with children in the future.
This is the first project that I was able to explain to my mother. My mother suffers from dementia, and I have seen it over the years lose the ability to socialize, to live the life that she was used to live. When I told her that I'm trying to make a robot that will help older people to live an independent life at home, she was very interested. I don't know if we will have this technology in time for my mother, because her condition is deteriorating rapidly, but I'm hoping that people like me who have their parents at home and they're looking for ways to help them any way they can, will find solutions from the results of this project.